In this lesson we are looking at comparing loans. Now we've already figured out how to calculate compounding interest and simple interest, so we're using those skills to do this. Now it's really important that we know exactly what makes a good loan, and a good loan really should have the lowest interest. It doesn't matter if the percentage is high or low, because sometimes there's a difference. If we have a look over here at two different examples here. We've got Bank A 4% compared to Bank B's 5%. So you'd go, oh, that's good, I might take this one. However, there's a massive difference here when we look at the time. This is 4% over 4 years, and this is 5% over a shorter time period of 3 years. It's the same amount of money, so we need to figure out which one would be best. We don't just get to go, oh, that one's got a smaller interest rate, so that one will be enough. We have to find out other ways of doing it. Right, so we'll bring this one into the light. Okay, so we know that they are compounding, so we know that we are going to need to use the A equals P times 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power of T. We are going to need to use that to find a total amount over time, because what we want to do is figure out how much these loans are worth over the time period. So let's start with Bank A. We've got a P value here of 1,000 times 1 plus our rate of 4 divided by 100 to the power of 4, because it is 4 years. Let's do that on the calculator. 1,000 times 1 plus 4 divided by 100 to the power of 4, and our answer here is $1,169.86 there, right? So to find out how much our interest is, we need to take our total and subtract the amount we borrowed. Everything over that will be the interest that we paid. So our total was this, and we are taking our $1,000 principal to start with. So we are left with $169.86. Okay, that is Bank A. Let's do Bank B now. Same idea, same formula, it's still compounding. If it was, say, a simple one, then we'd have to use a different formula. Okay, our P-value is still 1,000. It's a $1,000 loan. This time, however, our rate is 5 and our time period is 3. So let's get our calculators and do that one. 1,000 times 1 plus 5 divided by 100, all to the power of 3. And our final answer here is 1157.63. We'll round that one. So that means our interest is our total, take away our principal that we started with and borrowed from the bank. That means 1157.63. Take away our $1,000. Nice and easy one. We are left with this amount of money. So this versus this. Now Bank A had interest of $169, which is greater than the interest over here. So we would make a statement saying that Bank B would be the better option, because over time we pay less interest. So you do need to make a statement like that to tell us, all right, this is a better loan and this is why. Mathematically speaking, this is why. Now it doesn't seem like a great difference, just 1% in 1 year, but because we are paying this one for an entire year more, we do pay more interest. It's very important that we understand how to compare, and we compare them based on their total costs or how much interest they earn over the time period.